Today we're talking about Temu, the popular online shopping app that's been making waves with its unbeatable prices. But here's the catch, many users are facing a minimum purchase limit when shopping on Temu, which means you have to spend a certain amount to check out. But what if you want to bypass that minimum? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or work around Temu's minimum purchase limit. Now, one of the easiest way to deal with the minimum purchase requirement is by using promo codes or discounts. Temu often offers promo codes that can help you reach that minimum, especially if you're purchasing smaller icon. Go to the promotion and or coupons, and you can here enter and find the codes and check out to save money or even lower the minimum purchase threshold. You may need to enter your Temu account. Now, another way to remove minimum purchase limit is by combining multiple items into one order. If you have items that you want to buy but they don't meet the minimum limit, simply add more items to your cart until you reach the required amount. Just browse through the categories and add enough items to bring your total above the minimum. You can even explore bundle deals that allow you to get more for your money. Another smart way to or work around Temu's minimum purchase limit is by looking out for free shipping offers. If you're not ready to meet the minimum but still want to keep track of your desired items, you can add to wishlist feature. You can save the items you're interested into your wish list by tapping on this cart icon. And that's it. While Temu's minimum purchase limit can be a little annoying, there are a few tricks to work around it. Whether you use promo codes, combine orders, or wait for sales, you've got option to make sure you can buy what you want without being stuck at the checkout screen.